So next, for the given truth table, for the given truth table, minimize the SOP expression. So here giving two variables A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is the output? 0, 1, 0, 1. So in SOP form, already we know that 1, if A equal to 1, then we can write A only. If A equal to 0, then we can write the bar. So here minterms M0, M1, M2, M3. So this is the two variable truth table. Here we given two variable truth table. So for this, here in outputs, here in 0 1 case we get output is high, in 1 1 case we get output is high. So for this we can write expression here 1, A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. A equal to 0 means A bar, B equal to 1 means B only. Next, so here A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. A equal to 1 and B equal to 1. That means A, B. So if we have variable equal to 0, then we write the bar. But here only 1, A equal to 1, then we can write A, B equal to 1, that means B. This is canonical form or standard SOP form. Standard SOP form. This is directly written from this truth table. Here minterms are M0, M1, M2, M3. So from distribution law, this expression we can write A bar plus AB. A bar plus AB. So Y equal to, sorry, A bar plus A from distribution law, A bar plus A into B. So already we know that A bar plus A equal to 1. That means 1 dot B. 1 dot B. So we can write Y equal to B. We can write Y equal to B. So this is called as minimal SOP form. Minimal SOP form. So this is for the given truth table, minimize the SOP expression. For this given truth table is a two variable truth table. Here cases 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So here minterms M0, M1, M2, M3. So here output 0, 1, 0, 1. In two cases we get the output high. In this we write the expression Y equal to, so A equal to 0 means we can write A bar, B equal to 1 means we can write only B plus AB. 1, 1 means AB. This is canonical form or standard SOP form. So from this distribution law, B common, A bar plus A. So A bar plus A equal to 1, 1 dot B, Y equal to B, minimal SOP form. So here what given? I'm writing again truth table for this expression. A, B, Y, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this is M0, M1, M2, M3. So if sometimes given, simplify the expression for simplify the expression for y of a comma b equal to summation m of 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Sometimes given like this, then we write here y of a comma b, y of a comma b. So here how many variables? Two variables. How many variables? Two variables. Here only we have two variables. So for these two variables, y equal to, what are the minterms? 0 means m0, plus 2 means m2, plus 3 means m3. So y equal to m0 means here a equal to 0, b equal to 0. So a equal to 0, b equal to 0 means a equal to 0 means a bar, b equal to 0 means b bar. So here m2, a1, b 0, a1, b 0. That means a same, b means b bar. Plus what is the m3? A equal to 1, b equal to 1. So that means a, b. Next, so simplify this expression. From this is canonical form. This is canonical form. So from these two, b bar common, a bar plus a. So b bar is common plus a b. Next, y equal to a bar plus a 1 into b bar plus ab. So y equal to b bar plus ab, b bar plus ab. This is the minimal SOP form. So SOP means sum of product. In SOP we have minterms. In POS we have max terms. So here sometimes given like this, y of ab equal to summation m of 0 comma 2 comma 3. So this is m0 variable, m0 minterm, this is m2 minterm, this is m3 minterm, this is two variable. So for two variable truth table is like this. So y equal to m0 plus m2 plus m3. We can write y equal to m0 means m0 here a equal to 0 and b equal to 0. That means a bar, b bar. Next, m2 means 1, a equal to 1, b equal to 0. So that means a equal to 1 means a equal to 1 means a, and b equal to 0 means b bar plus 1 1. That means ab. So this is canonical form. Next, from these two, we can common the b bar, a bar plus a into b bar plus ab. A bar plus a equal to 1, that means 1 dot b bar plus ab, y equal to b bar plus ab. This is minimal SOP form. So m0, comma m1, comma m2, comma m3, these are in SOP, SOP min terms. So m0, comma m1, comma m2, comma m3, these are in SPOS max terms. So if given expression f of a comma b comma c equal to m2 plus m4 plus m5 plus m6 plus m7. So that means this also write summation m 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is three variable. In this we have three variable. So for f, so what is this mean term? M0, M1, M2. So third one. So third one means here we can write A bar, B, C bar, M4. M4 means A, B bar, C bar plus M5 means A, B bar, C plus A, B, C bar plus ABC. M2, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So from these two, what is the common value? What is the common variable? Here A bar, here A, here B bar, here C bar and C bar. So three variables, A bar, B, C bar. But in these two, A, B bar common. In these two, A, B bar common. A, B bar common, C bar plus C. In this, AB is common. So AB common, C bar plus C. F equal to A bar, B, C bar plus A, B bar. So this value 1 plus AB dot 1. We can write F equal to A bar B, C bar plus A, B bar plus AB. F equal to A bar B, C bar plus A common B bar plus B. F equal to A bar B, C bar plus A, because B bar plus B equal to 1. B bar plus B equal to 1. Here B bar plus B equal to 1. Here C bar plus C equal to 1. So these are the minterms in three variable. We write from M2 A bar B C bar, for M4 A B bar C bar, for 5 A B bar C plus A B C bar. Next A B C. So this is same as in these two, A B bar common, C bar plus C plus A B into C bar plus C. Here F equal to A bar B C bar, same. A B bar C bar plus C dot 1 plus A B dot 1. Next A bar B C bar. Next A B bar plus A B. In these two, B A is common. A bar B C bar plus A common B bar plus B. Next, from last, a bar b, c bar plus a. This is the final expression. This is also called as minimal expression. So from this also we can write f equal to a bar b, c bar plus a. So f equal to, we can write, already we know that a plus a bar b equal to, we can write a plus b. So here also a plus a bar, this is x, then we can write a plus b. B means b c bar. This is the final answer. This is called as minimal SOP form.